We're doing another vegan taste test today. This time we're tasting 4 chocolates from Chomp. They are from Salem, Oregon, and we're super excited to dig into these. The first one we're doing is Cookie, and it is a white vegan chocolate with cookies in it.
It's hard to get white chocolate right.
That is a good vegan white chocolate. Normally it's has like an alcohol aftertaste, and this is nothing like that.
It's really good.
The next one is Pop Star. It's got crunchy stuff. That tastes good. The chocolate itself is really good. It's a milk chocolate, a vegan milk chocolate. And the puffed whatever is super crunchy. It's not soggy. Ooh, I like that one.
It's nice too.
Yeah. This third one, I'm personally very excited about. They're called Nut Pucks, and they're like little peanut butter cups. They're not like little peanut butter cups. They are little peanut butter cups.
Yeah.
Ready?
Excited too.
There is nothing wrong with that. That peanut butter has a nice salty taste to it. What are you thinking?
That's way better than
an unnamed competitor. Way better, and it's vegan.
Yeah.
Woo!
Who said?
All right, our last one is just the original. It's just a milk chocolate. This one's very soft.
That was my first word.
Soft.
But it's creamy.
Not waxy. Ooh, that's good. Rank them in order. I would have to do the Nut Pucks, the peanut butter cups, then the Cookie, the white chocolate one, and then the Pop Star, and then the original.
Same here.
Yeah. Really good. I would recommend these for sure.
Definitely worth it.
If you try them, if you try them, let us know in the comments. Let us know what you think of them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.